California's business landscape is as dynamic as its coastline, and its workplace safety requirements can feel just as vast. For HR leaders and CEOs of small to medium-sized businesses, ensuring your team's certifications are current isn't just a recommendation, it's a legal necessity. But who has the time to navigate every intricate rule? Blue Ocean Safety is your experienced guide through these waters. We provide all-encompassing safety solutions, specifically designed for California companies seeking to renew their training certifications. Our promise? We handle everything for you, so you can focus on leading your business. Our core strength is our in-person training. We believe the most effective safety education happens face-to-face, tailored to your specific workplace. From essential first aid and CPR, including bloodborne pathogens, to specialized OSHA training like powered industrial trucks and aerial and scissor lift, our certified instructors bring the expertise directly to your employees. We make learning engaging and retention high. Beyond training, our comprehensive services include meticulous plan review. We'll examine your existing safety plans to ensure they meet the rigorous demands of Cal OSHA. And for businesses needing entirely new frameworks, our expert team will handle complete plan development or review of your current documents or to update to current Cal OSHA regulations, creating robust IIPPs, COVID-19 plans, or any other necessary safety documentation unique to your operations. We don't just provide services, we provide peace of mind. Stop stressing about regulatory hurdles. With Blue Ocean Safety, you gain a dedicated partner committed to keeping your company safe and compliant without adding to your workload. We handle everything from assessment to implementation. Ready to secure your company's safety future? Click the link to schedule a training session today and let Blue Ocean Safety handle all your workplace safety requirements.